recommended. Hey guys, Brian with another foundation repair tip of the day. So we're going to tackle this topic. I just point it up so you could then plug in the clip.
That's all water, approximately 4 inches right there. It actually goes all the way around the hole.
Water in our crawl spaces. Good thing, bad thing, or should we just tear the house down? Definitely not a good thing, but it can be fixed. There's multiple things that happen. Improper drainage is usually the #1 culprit around the perimeter of the house. You can put in drainage systems, make sure you have gutters. The gutters go away from the house. If it's still coming up through the house or underneath in the crawl space, your next step would be to install a vapor barrier encapsulation unit, as well as a sump pump to get the water out from underneath the house. So everything can be fixed. This one unfortunately takes a little bit more time, and also we need the initial water out of there to be able to do the work properly. So if you have water in your crawl space, give us a shout and we can help you out. And that's your foundation repair tip of the day.
That's a nice little rhyme right there.
I knew you'd like that.